Desktop support engineer interview questions and answers. How would you handle a user who reports email synchronization issues on their mobile device? When handling a user who reports email synchronization issues on their mobile device, it is important to start by verifying the user's account settings and ensuring that the device is connected to the internet. After that, checking the email server's status and investigating any known issues can be helpful. Clearing the email app cache, reconfiguring the email account, or updating the app may resolve synchronization problems. If necessary, collaborating with the email server administrators for further troubleshooting can be beneficial. How do you ensure data security and protect against unauthorized access to a user's computer? To ensure data security and protect against unauthorized access to a user's computer, implementing strong user authentication mechanisms such as complex passwords, multi-factor authentication, or biometric authentication is crucial. Enforcing strict access controls by assigning appropriate user privileges and permissions based on their job requirements is also important. Utilizing encryption techniques for sensitive data storage and transmission adds an extra layer of security. Regularly updating security patches and antivirus software helps in keeping the system protected. Conducting periodic security audits and educating users on best practices for data protection are additional measures that can be taken. How would you migrate user profiles and data to a new computer? When migrating user profiles and data to a new computer, it is essential to ensure a proper backup of user profiles and data first. User migration tools or scripts can then be used to transfer profiles, settings, and documents to the new computer. Verifying that necessary applications and software are installed and compatible with the new system is important as well. Testing the migrated profiles and data for functionality and troubleshooting any issues that arise during the process should not be overlooked. Finally, providing user support and guidance in adapting to the new system completes the migration process. How would you handle a user accidentally deleting critical files? In case a user accidentally deletes critical files, attempting to recover them from local or network backups should be the first step if available. If backups are not accessible, utilizing data recovery software or services can be considered as a last resort option. Reminding users to be cautious with file deletion and implementing file versioning or a recycling bin feature can help prevent accidental deletions in the future. How do you ensure compliance with software licensing regulations within an organization? To ensure compliance with software licensing regulations within an organization, regularly auditing software licenses and maintaining accurate records of software installations is necessary. Implementing software asset management systems to track license usage and ensure compliance can be helpful. Educating users on licensing policies and the importance of using only licensed software is important as well. Developing and enforcing policies and procedures to prevent unauthorized software installations completes the process. What steps would you take to ensure high availability and fault tolerance for critical servers? For ensuring high availability and fault tolerance for critical servers, implementing redundancy measures such as clustering or server mirroring is essential. Utilizing load balancing techniques to distribute network traffic evenly across multiple servers helps in maintaining server availability. Regularly monitoring server health, performance, and utilization allows for proactive identification and resolution of potential issues. Performing routine backups and testing the restoration process ensures data recovery in case of catastrophic failures. How do you handle a situation where a user's computer cannot receive email messages? When a user's computer cannot receive email messages, troubleshooting email issues involves verifying the email account settings, including configurations for incoming and outgoing mail servers. Checking if the email account has enough storage capacity is also important. Testing email connectivity by sending and receiving text messages from another account helps in identifying any issues. Ensuring that the computer is not blocking necessary ports for email communication is crucial as well. If further assistance is required, contacting the support team of the email service provider is advisable. How do you handle a situation where a user's computer cannot connect to a specific website? Verify if the website is accessible from other devices, or when a user's computer cannot connect to a specific website, it is important to verify if the website is accessible from other devices or networks to rule out any global connectivity issues. Clearing the browser cache and cookies can help resolve the issue in some cases. Disabling browser extensions or trying accessing the website using a different browser can also be attempted. Flushing the DNS cache and trying to access the website using its IP address may help as well. If the issue persists, contacting the website administrator or reporting the problem to the website support team should be considered. How would you troubleshoot sound-related issues on a user's computer? To troubleshoot sound-related issues on a user's computer, verifying that the speakers or headphones are properly connected and powered on is the first step. Checking the volume settings and ensuring the correct audio output device is selected is important as well. Updating the audio drivers to the latest version can help resolve any driver-related issues. Running the audio troubleshooting tools provided by the operating system can also be beneficial. Testing audio playback with different applications and media files helps in narrowing down the source of the issue. How would you approach diagnosing a computer that refuses to boot up? When diagnosing a computer that refuses to boot up, verifying that the power supply is connected properly is crucial. Referring back to system documentation or manufacturer websites for additional steps based on any error messages or beep codes that appear during boot up can be helpful as well. Checking hardware connections like RAM and hard drives and running diagnostic tests may uncover potential issues. Can a client be accessed from a location other than the server? Clients can access servers remotely as long as they have network connectivity and permissions. What is the difference between tree and forest in Active Directory? The difference between tree and forest in Active Directory is that a tree represents a collection of domains connected hierarchically, while a forest represents multiple trees with their own domains. What is safe mode, and how do you start a computer in safe mode? Safe mode is a diagnostic startup mode in Windows that helps troubleshoot software or driver issues. Define permissions, policies, and rights. Permissions, policies, and rights are terms related to access control and security. What is group policy? Group policy is a feature in Windows that allows administrators to manage settings across a network of computers, enhancing network management. Thank you.